Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can try to fix your USB flash. So here you can see that I also plug in my USB flash and it won't seen by my computer, so I can't see my USB flash here. Here you can see that also drivers are installing, but not successfully because I don't see here my USB. So how I can fix it? So we will first simple way is just try to plug in this device to another place, to another USB. So we will try to find some another and just enter it. So here you can see that we also here you can see that when we try to plug in our device to another USB, it successfully see our USB flash, so it works. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.